Hey you guys, long time no see. It has been a while, but as you can see, I have a new background, I have a new ring light here, and I have lights everywhere. So basically I've got my full on studio like built, you know. It's amazing. I got most of these stuff for Christmas, which I want to thank my fiance and everyone else that got me these stuff. I mean, it's amazing, and I'm so happy that the quality of the videos are going to be so much better now. So yeah, anyway, in today's video I decided to film this affordable winter glam. So we've got our red lip, we've also got some glitter on the eyes, and I love it. I love this kind of makeup. If I could, I'd probably wear it every day, but I don't have time. So anyway, if you want to see how I came up with this look, then just keep on watching.
I'm using the Catrice Pressure Up Primer to prime my face. Then I am taking my Essence Isle of Colour eyeshadow base and I am priming the eyelids. I'm then taking my Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder and I am setting the eyeshadow base. I am taking the Wet n Wild Rosé in the Air palette and I'm taking the cooler tone transition shade and I'm placing this above my crease. I am then taking the Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette. I am taking the darker transition shade and I am placing this in my crease and I am slowly building up the colour. I am taking the darkest matte in the Rosé in the Air palette and I'm placing this on the outer corner, and I'm also blending this shade into the crease. I'm just blending out the edges here. I am taking the darker transition shade from the Comfort Zone palette and I am softening out the edges. I am then taking the PS Liquid Glitter eyeliner or eyeshadow and I am placing this on the bare part of my eyelid. I'm building up this shadow slowly in order to get the best sparkle effect. Then I am taking the darker transition shade from the Comfort Zone palette and I am blending out the edges. I'm going back into the Rosé in the Air palette and the Cool Tone transition shade and I'm softening out the edges of the whole look, which you could not see. Then I am taking the Rosé in the Air palette again and I'm taking the darkest shade and I'm blending out the outer corner. For foundation, I am taking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Foundation. I am placing it directly on the face using the doe foot applicator and then I'm blending it out with my sponge. For concealer, I'm taking the Essence Healthy Glow Camouflage Concealer. I'm placing it on my under eyes and I'm blending it out with my sponge. I'm using the PS Rice Powder to set underneath my eyes and also my forehead lines and my smile lines. I am then taking my Essence Super Last Brow Powder pencil to fill in my brows. I am taking my Essence Make Me Brow gel to set my eyebrows. For lower lash line, I am taking the Cool Tone transition shade from the Rosé in the Air palette and I am putting it all across. Then I'm taking the darker transition shade from the Comfort Zone palette and I'm placing that closer to the lashes. I'm then taking the Sparkly Champagne shade from the Comfort Zone palette and I'm placing that on my inner corner as well as my brow bone. I'm then taking the Essence Lash Princess Mascara and I'm placing that on my bottom and my top lashes. I am then taking the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil and I'm placing that on my waterline and my tight line. I am taking the Catrice Prime and Fine contouring palette and I'm contouring my cheeks. Then to warm up my skin, I am taking the Catrice Sun Glow bronzer. For blush, I'm taking the Essence Satin Touch blush. And then for highlight, I'm taking the highlight shade from the Sleek Contouring Palette. And I am highlighting my brow, my cheekbones, my nose and my cupid's bow. For lips, I'm taking the Penny's lip liner in red and I'm lining my lips. Then I'm taking this beautiful red lipstick from Catrice. It is from the Ultimate Matte line. And to finish things off, I am dousing my face in the Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray.
So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a like and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. But yeah, I will see you in the next one. Bye.
Never knew it, but you were my lifeline.